Hey guys, if you're a gardener, you know what I'm about to say is the gospel truth. The struggle is real. Let me tell you what. This is what was going to be some pretty nice watermelon out here. I think several of them were getting almost ripe and they were getting pretty close. I come out here yesterday and two of them, apparently somebody felt like they were plenty ripe and tore them up real good. Looking at the markings, it's obviously raccoons doing this. So I set a trap last night. Put a nice ear of Silver Queen corn in there and put some fresh cantaloupe from the grocery store. Ours look like it's still a couple weeks away from producing. Thinking maybe they go in that trap and eat that stuff because it was already like a salad bar and they didn't have to cut open a watermelon. They didn't go for it. Apparently they bumped the trap, set it, and tore up some more watermelon, which means I have to resort to plan B. They didn't like some vegetables in there. Let's see how much they like a little bit of protein. I believe they're going to fall for it this time. Now, I need to address this because I know it's going to come up. I get this comment all the time from people, man, you need to coexist. Animals got to eat too. Boy, let me tell you what. When I see the raccoons out here pulling weeds, when I see deer helping me lay off some rows and stuff, when I see a groundhog dragging water lines out here helping me, that's when I'll start coexisting with them. Until then, the battle rages on. So y'all take care. Lord willing, we will see you again next time.